Do you use Google Docs on the go? Are you tired of constantly changing each document's font style and size? Well, in this video, I will show you a quick and simple way to set your default settings on Google Doc. So let's dive in. So first of all, you want to go and open your Google Doc, and this is my document. And what I want to do is change the font style for my title, for my headers, and for my normal text. So first and foremost, what you want to do is select the particular text that you want to change the style for. So I'm going to select this one. It's already in header one, but let's say if I didn't want to do header one, I wanted a different style, then all I'm going to do is click into header one and then select my style. So first and foremost, what I want to show you is that when you click on the styles, you've got two options. You've got the apply and update. So once we have selected the fonts, the style, and the spacing, then we're going to use the apply. So I wanted to show you that. So I'm going to select my title, and what I want it to be a particular font. So my font is Poppins, and I want it to be bold. So as I hover over it and go towards and just hover lightly, I want it to already be bold, so I don't have to go and actually use the bold feature. And I also want the text to be about, let's see what 20 looks like. So 20 is fine, and that's what I want it to look like. This is how all my headers, once I start using Google Doc, will default to. So also I want to make sure that it's aligned. I want it centered aligned, which is great. If I want to also change the width and space, and I can do all of that now. And then all that you have to do once you are ready with that particular style for that header, you click into the box, lightly hover over header, and I'm going to update. So now anytime I want to change a section of my document and I click on header 1, you can see instantly it's defaulted. So the next thing that I want to do is change the header for my subheading. So this is probably going to be header 2. So again, I'm just going to style it as I want. And what I might just do for this one, instead of having it bold, I might just use semi-bold. I'm going to decide that 12 would be great for this. And I want it to be left aligned, which it is at the moment. So it means anytime I use this particular heading, which is going to be header 2, it will be left aligned, it will be Poppins, it will be 12, it will be semi-bold because I've set it that way. And all I'm going to now do, because I want it to be header 2, I'm going to update header 2 based on that style. So let's say if I then go into this text and just change it to header 2, it's instantly formats it. The next thing I want to do is my normal text. So at the moment, my normal text is Arial. Again, I want it to be Poppins, and this time I just want it to be normal. I want it to be about a size 11. I want it to be justified, which is great. The spacing, I might do 1.5. So now anytime I use normal text, it will have these key features. So it will have Poppins 12, it will be normal based Poppins, it will be justified, and it'll have a 1.5 spacing. So all I'm going to do is highlight this, go to normal text and update. So now if I was to go down and check, because the text that you import into a document usually is formatted into a particular style. So because I've changed the style of the normal text, they now automatically fit that style. So the only thing I now need to do is change the style of the headings, because I haven't yet, I haven't selected them. So let's just check what this one is. So this is heading 3, I want it to be heading 2. If I go down, I'm going to just do the same. So that's it. That's how you format your work. So I'm now just going to show you how to set this as default. So now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to check. Yep. So now I want to set all of this as default. In order to do that, all I'm going to do is go to Format, go to Paragraphs and Style, scroll all the way down to Options, and I want to save as my default styles. And then once you've clicked that, you just want to make sure it says saved as default, although you've already done that. And that's it. That's how you change the default font style, size, and line spacing of your Google Doc. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe as I provide more tutorials for educators that are using digital tools.